Turn this around with mere reductions in expenditures, not necessarily wholesale savings. You can turn it around rather quickly, but it's very unpopular, and it does seem to touch every segment of society. Now, I want a chief executive in our federal government that has a respect for your dollars and mine, and I don't think we've had that for some time. Appreciate the call very much, Marty. More conversation, your calls coming up. Don't go away.
Digging deep behind the stories in Washington, in California, and Sacramento. Don McGinnis, afternoons 3 to 4 on KFBK.
Inflation remains too high.
How does it impact your family? Certainly don't want to be the Fed that then pushed us into an unnecessary recession. Kelly Brothers from Cap Trust. Mornings and afternoons. Company is building and adding here at 22 and 52 past the hour. Let's check the real-time numbers. KFBK News Radio.
Hey, Armstrong and Getty here. You know, our friends at Allworth believe financial guidance should come with more client focus, or less lip service, more complete advice with fewer trade-offs, more interest in doing right by you, not what's best for them.
They call it uncompromised wealth management, and for you it means a client-first approach from full-time advisors backed by a team of financial experts, ensuring you get the dedicated, distraction-free guidance you and your money deserve.
While other advisors overpromise and underdeliver,
Watch out. Vehicle on shoulder ahead.
Resource-rich, comprehensive financial and investment strategies to move your whole wealth forward.
And it means the advice Allworth offers is always designed to align with your best interests through transparent pricing, no surprises, no penalty, no conflict.
So take it from us and discover uncompromised wealth management for yourself and your financial future. Call 833-GO-ALLWORTH. That's 833-GO-ALLWORTH. Or visit allworthfinancial.com. allworthfinancial.com to book a free appointment with a local advisor at a Mexico office near you.
Listen to Kelvin. What he's about to say could change your life.
I'm 6'2", and I was about 290. I lost that now I'm about 235. I'm probably at about 9, maybe 10% body fat. That's great. I lost probably at least 60 pounds in probably 3.5, 4 months. Color of my hair's coming back. Skin looks better. Obviously gaining muscle. My muscle mass is coming back. Thank you for providing an awesome product. Somebody who actually has and does what they say they will. That's awesome.
That's great, Kelvin. Losing that belly fat in less than 4 months is outstanding. Since 2004, Andro 400 has been changing men's lives, like Kelvin, and can help you lose belly fat, gain energy, and improve your lifestyle. We guarantee it. Go to andro400.com for more true testimonials, before and after photos, and special discounts. Only available on andro400.com. andro400.com.
Are you looking for a way to protect your home from expensive system and appliance breakdowns? Look no further than Choice Home Warranty. Get coverage on over 25 systems and appliances, including AC, heating, plumbing, kitchen, and laundry. With a nationwide network of contractors and award-winning service, you can trust them to keep your home running smoothly. Get a free quote at 1-844-674-5972. That's 1-844-674-5972. Limitations apply. Visit choicehomewarranty.com for details.
Join us for the hottest action and experience winning like never before at Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Sacramento at Fire Mountain. Voted best casino in Sacramento. Cruise into summer, Fridays and Saturdays at Hard Rock. It's the $2.2 million Audi giveaway. Win cash and prizes or drive away in a brand new Audi A5 convertible. Only at Hard Rock Hotel and Casino Sacramento at Fire Mountain. From the KFBK Traffic Center, taking at 340, well, let's say 350 now. Brought to you by Dewey Pest and Turbine Control. And right now, southbound I-5 at the 80 interchange there. They just took it from me, so I assume they got that taken care of. Eastbound 80 Raleigh Boulevard, we had reported a fire earlier. Eastbound 80 Long Bridge, we have a vehicle on the fog line. Looks like a white pickup there somewhere between the causeway and the split. And otherwise, eastbound Cap City gets slow traffic, and it starts as soon as you get off 50 at 99 and goes all the way to Exposition. Westbound traffic's going to start seeing a slowdown at El Camino Avenue to the river. Going across the top, too, on eastbound 80 sluggish out to, looks like Truxville. And then again, as you go from Northgate to get out to about Raleigh Boulevard. Are mosquitoes ruining your summer? What about ants, roaches, or creepy spiders? Dewey Pest and Termite is your answer. Now 94 years strong. Get a free inspection and $75 radio discount at deweypest.com/radio. That's deweypest.com/radio. Traffic on the 10s every 10 minutes, mornings and afternoons, day and ahead. KFBK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
KFBK News Radio live everywhere on the iHeartRadio app and your smart speaker. So in response to Marty's question, it looks as though President Trump's watch, the federal deficit grew by $7.8 trillion, nearly $8 trillion bucks. $4.8 trillion of that was before COVID. $3 trillion and change was as a result of COVID or related to COVID, or at least after COVID. None of which was really wisely spent money. In retrospect, maybe there was a belief, a good faith belief at that point that it was necessary, and I will acknowledge some difference when the government is shutting businesses down, and perhaps there's an obligation or a justification or rationale for a perception of obligation to make them whole. But I don't think it was well done, and so there's enormous growth in government and deficit growth long before COVID hit. So another thing to look at tonight, I want to get your calls in terms of what you want to hear brought up tonight. But what about military conflict? And obviously the events today with regard to what appears to be a course of action on the part of Russia, that kind of, I think, illustrates or pushes to the fore the Ukrainian situation. And it looks like there's a desire to be on one extreme or the other. Either give them everything and a little more, or give them nothing. Now, I think it's in our best interest to ensure to the greatest extent possible, within reason, responsibly doing so, that Russia doesn't take Ukraine. Similarly, I don't want to see China take Taiwan. I think that is not in our best interest. So what about military? What about military experience on the part of it? I think the only one, certainly the only combat veteran is Governor DeSantis. I don't know if there's any other veterans on the stage tonight or not. Your thoughts, 800-834-1530. Daryl is patiently waiting in Carmichael. Daryl, good afternoon. Welcome to the conversation. Thanks for holding on.
Well, you're welcome. Yeah, thank you again for all the dedicated years as a consummate peace officer.
My honor, sir. Thank you.
You're a great sheriff.
Thank you, sir.
Calvin Coolidge, one of the few presidents that I admire because he was pragmatic in the business of America's business. He actually cut back on the federal government, paid off that debt that we incurred from the Great War.
Yep.
And you mentioned that now, and it's like you're a pariah. And both parties are guilty, but the Democrats have been more pronounced with their Great Society programs and all that, going back, to FDR with the New Deal and then LBJ. All that. I mean, if you research it. But what I'd like to be addressed is instead of gun control or abortion, yes, those are important issues, our Second Amendment rights and all, but the growth of government, like you said, like an unchecked growth, and it's a runaway train. I mean, we're at $100 trillion, ladies and gentlemen, national debt. I mean, overall.
It's a big deal. Obviously not the deficit, but it is a gigantic deal. And I'll tell you what it kind of reminds me of, Daryl. I've been around people over the years who have had families that have broken up, and the two parents seem like they're in competition for the kids' love, and so they try to outwit each other. One parent takes the kid to Disneyland for a weekend, the next one has to take him someplace to take her to Aspen skiing the following weekend, and they go into enormous costs. Exactly, and that's what I think the federal government has become. And I really, truly, but you know what? You and I may be among a very small group of people that has this orientation and wants to see something along these lines. Because guess what? When mom and dad are throwing down a credit card and paying for Disneyland trips, the kids are having a good time. And I think the kids are having a good time increasing debt to an exponential rate. and that's problematic. Hey, Daryl, I appreciate the call, sir. I wish we had more time, but I'm all out of it. That's it for me, but stick around because you have the lovely and talented Kitty O'Neill coming up next with the afternoon news. I get to see you right back here tomorrow. Have a spectacular evening. So long.
Building a better Sacramento. KFBK News Radio 93.1 FM, 1530 AM, and iHeartRadio station.
Listen on the free iHeartRadio app for all your music, news, sports, talk, and podcasts.
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Sounded so good. It's the biggest Beauty Rest Labor Day sale ever at Matthews Mattress. Hi, Christina here for my friends at Matthews. Now until September 11th, Matthews Mattress is putting Beauty Rest on sale. Save up to $900 on Beauty Rest Black and adjustable bases, or get a Beauty Rest Harmony Luxe Extra Firm with queen starting at just $12.99, and the Black LX Class Medium for just $26.99. With any Beauty Rest King or Queen mattress, get a free adjustable base. On any mattress purchase over $8.99, you get 2 free bamboo pillows and a quality mattress protector. The rest of their inventory is on sale with Labor Day savings. Get 60 months special financing on approved credit. 5x5, you'll be sleeping by 9. Free same-day delivery, free removal of your old set, and Matthews Mattress unbeatable 10% price guarantee. 11 locations. MatthewsMattress.com.
Guys, did you know your testosterone affects everything in your system, including how you feel and perform every day? Right now, Revive Men's Health Sacramento will check your testosterone for free. Knowing your T level is the first step in understanding if you have low T. Your testosterone level impacts your energy, libido, sleep, weight, hair loss, mood, and even
Approaching a railroad crossing.
Maintaining an appropriate T level can change your whole life. Most men start to see changes in their hormone level in their 30s. Experience and results matter. So what are you waiting for? Get your T levels checked today by local, experienced, and trusted men's health experts. They've helped thousands of men since 2011. They're so confident they can help you, they even guarantee it. Call Revive today and schedule your free testosterone test, free exam, and free consultation. Call Revive Men's Health at 916-277-8599. That's 916-277-8599. Or visit ReviveMen'sHealth.com.
I'm Tony Lopez with CBS 13 News. I've never been more proud to be in local news than I am right now with our team. Difficult times. News is coming at you from so many sources. So now more than ever, it is crucial that we step up our game, and we do it every day. Asking questions, digging deeper. Every afternoon challenge for this team is tenacious, and they continue to push for answers for you and bring you the stories that matter.
Getting answers. Every night on the CBS 13 News at 10.
If you're hired, it can feel like you're trying to find a needle in a haystack. You can hope the right person comes along, or you can just use ZipRecruiter. And now you can try it for free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. In fact, ZipRecruiter has helped a lot of business owners find their needle in a haystack. Like Marco, president of operations at Kelly Tires and Auto Centers. Because Kelly Tires has grown a lot in the last few years, Marco needed to hire everyone from a receptionist to a store manager to a head mechanic.
ZipRecruiter helps me find all the right people, even the most difficult jobs to fill. ZipRecruiter helps me keep my business running.
Take it from Marco and millions of other businesses who've used ZipRecruiter. ZipRecruiter can help you find the needle in the haystack.
See why 4 out of 5 employers who post a job on ZipRecruiter get a quality candidate within the first day. And right now, you can try ZipRecruiter for free. That's right, free at ZipRecruiter.com/radio. That's ZipRecruiter.com/RADIO. ZipRecruiter.com/radio. ZipRecruiter, the smartest way to hire.
Bertolucci's Body Shop is Sacramento's best. Bertolucci's works on all makes and models. Need collision repair? Call Bertolucci's Body Shop.
Our iHeartRadio Music Festival is coming back to T-Mobile Arena in Las Vegas this September. Superstar artists from every genre.
Streaming live only on Hulu.
Buy tickets now at AXS.com.
KFBK, Sacramento, BKFM, all kinds of news, traffic, and weather.
KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
4 o'clock now at KFBK News Radio. I'm Kitty O'Neill with the afternoon news. Stories now trending: 8 Republicans squaring off in the first Republican presidential debate of the 2024 campaign season. A dispute over control of Sacramento's Del Paso Regional Park and San Francisco's effort to deal with its homeless. Traffic and weather together right now, and we'll check every 10 minutes. We start in the traffic center, KPK Dana.
All right, good afternoon, Kitty. And right now, not a good afternoon. If you're coming in through the Davis area on eastbound 80, we just clocked it for you, and you're getting your clock cleaned. Basically, 113 all the way to the split. It's going to be over 35 minutes at this time. Just a heavy buildup, but we have had some incidents, but nothing really big. Anyway, it is sluggish, and it starts in earnest really around Old Davis Road and goes all the way almost to the split. Very heavy stuff. Traffic on the 10s every 10 minutes, mornings and afternoons. Stay to KFBK News Radio, 93.1 FM, 1530 AM.
Thanks, Eugene. Now the KFBK forecast.
Tonight we'll see clear skies. Expect a nighttime low of 65 to 69. Tomorrow hot with plenty of sunshine. Tomorrow's high 96 to 100. Friday seasonably warm with plenty of sunshine. A high Friday of 90 to 94. I'm AccuWeather's Drew Shannon on KFBK, Sacramento's News Radio.
95 in Sacramento right now, and we've got Elk Grove at 96 and Grenada Bay at 95 as well. And we start here with your top story at 4:01 at KFBK, your top national story. As former President Trump faces criminal charges, he'll be noticeably absent from tonight's first GOP presidential debate. 8 other candidates, though, will be on stage in Milwaukee, and they are all way behind Trump at the polls, despite months of campaigning. CBS Robert Costa is in Milwaukee with what is expected tonight.
Tonight might not be all about the former president and his 4 criminal indictments. A CBS News poll shows Republican voters want candidates to make the case for themselves instead of against Trump. And the top issues they want to hear about are plans to address inflation, violent crime, and illegal immigration. Still, former New Jersey Governor Chris Christie believes you have to go through Trump if you want to be the nominee, and has slammed Trump for skipping the debate.
There are other GOP candidates who won't be on the stage tonight either because they didn't meet the requirements. At least 2 of them, media personality Larry Elder and Michigan businessman Perry Johnson, have threatened legal action against the Republican National Committee, calling its debate selection process rigged. We also have a poll going today. Do you think any of these 8 candidates tonight could possibly overtake the frontrunner, Donald Trump? That's your poll question. Your top local story, the city and county of Sacramento are in a custody dispute involving a park. KFBK's Daniel Martindale has more.
County leaders say the city-owned Del Paso Regional Park is poorly managed and they want to take it over. The Sacramento County Board of Supervisors has voted to ask the mayor and city to relinquish control of the park. If they agree, the county would take control of 76 acres of the park, but the city council would first need to approve a formal
Great, she's fucking out here. What the